Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to Gudshuis. Today I'll show you how to record in 4K with OBS Studio so you can capture the highest quality video for your content, tutorials or streaming. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Gudshuis, hit the like button, share this video with others and tap the notification bell icon so you never miss an update. First, open the OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it for free from the OBS project website. It's free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. So let's move on to the OBS Studio itself. I'm currently installed 30.2.3 version, and there are a few controls, sources, scenes, audio mixer. On the top left corner, click on OBS and Preferences. You should be able to see the settings window. And on the left hand side, click on the video and you'll be able to see the general settings for the base resolution and output resolution. Make sure you select the highest resolution, and also there is FPS, which is frames per second. You can adjust it depending upon your need, 30 or 60 for the smoother video. Save the settings. To start recording, just click on Start Recording button on the main OBS screen. When you're done, click on Stop Recording and your high quality 4K video will be saved to the designated folder on your PC. There you have it. You have now set up the recording in the stunning 4K quality with OBS Studio. Thank you so much for tuning into Gudshuis.